Are you feeling like you have exhausted all possibilities, but nothing seems to be effective in bringing your desires to fruition? You are not alone in this struggle. Many individuals face challenges when it comes to manifesting their desires, and it can be quite frustrating. However, there is a simple solution that may surprise you. Welcome back to another video on manifestation. Today, I want to share with you an impactful exercise that can be done when other methods have failed. This exercise is based on the teachings of Neville Goddard, a well-known spiritual teacher and author who has written several books on the subject of manifestation. In this video, I will explain how you can utilize self-talk to manifest your desires and provide insights from Neville Goddard himself. As I mentioned earlier, manifesting your desires can present challenges, especially if you have exhausted all other options without success. However, it is crucial to understand that the more we persist in our efforts, the more resistance we create. To overcome this, we need to transform our self-talk. Our thoughts and words shape our reality, and if we constantly tell ourselves that we cannot manifest our desires, we will continue to experience lack and limitations. In order to break free from this pattern, we must alter our self-talk, identify any limiting beliefs, and expedite our manifestation process. It is important to note that the final quote I will share holds significant importance, so please ensure you watch this video until the end. According to Neville Goddard, changing our perception of ourselves automatically changes the world in which we live. This quote underscores the significance of our self-image in shaping our reality. Our beliefs and assumptions about ourselves dictate our experiences in life. If we view ourselves as unworthy or inadequate, we will attract situations and individuals that align with those beliefs. On the other hand, if we possess a positive self-image and perceive ourselves as capable and deserving, we will draw abundance and success towards us. Our self-image encompasses our beliefs, values, and perceptions of ourselves. It is formed based on our past experiences, societal influences, and feedback from others. Our self-image can either empower us or restrict us, impacting our ability to manifest our desires. For example, if we hold negative beliefs about ourselves, such as feeling unworthy or undeserving of good things in life, we may experience anxiety, fear, or even depression. These negative emotions and beliefs create an adverse energy field that repels positive experiences and opportunities. Consequently, we may find ourselves trapped in a cycle, unable to break free from negative patterns. Conversely, if we cultivate a positive self-image, believing in our capabilities and deservingness of success, we create a positive energy field that attracts favorable experiences and opportunities. We find ourselves in a state of flow where everything seems to effortlessly align. To change our self-perception, we need to become aware of our negative beliefs and thought patterns, challenge them, and replace them with affirmations that support our desired reality. By affirming our worthiness and visualizing ourselves as already having achieved our desired outcomes, we evoke the associated emotions. Through this transformation of self-image, our external world begins to reflect our inner world, attracting people, situations, and opportunities that resonate with our new beliefs and thoughts. As we change our thoughts, our reality changes accordingly. Neville Goddard also emphasized the incredible power of our imagination, stating that it can accomplish anything, and everything becomes possible for those who believe. According to Goddard, every physical manifestation originated as an idea or thought. Hence, if we can imagine something and truly believe in its reality, we can manifest it in our lives. However, the reason why many people struggle to manifest their desires is their lack of belief in the attainability of those desires. Doubt creates a blockage in the flow of abundance, hindering the manifestation process. For instance, someone desiring a new job may inwardly doubt their qualifications or skills, preventing the manifestation of that desired job. Their limiting beliefs generate a negative vibration that does not align with the job they seek. Conversely, if they can imagine themselves already in the desired job and truly believe its possibility, they will begin to attract opportunities and circumstances that align with that desire. Another profound quote by Neville Goddard advises us to assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and observe the subsequent direction of our attention. This exercise directs our attention toward the desired outcome rather than the absence of it. Focusing on what is lacking communicates to the universe that we do not possess it, thereby perpetuating the cycle of lack. In contrast, by immersing ourselves in the emotions associated with already having our desires fulfilled, we send a clear message to the universe that we are prepared to receive. The key to this exercise lies in genuinely experiencing the emotions as if the desired outcome is already present. It goes beyond mere visualization or recitation of affirmations. It entails embodying the emotions in the present moment. This approach, often referred to as living from the end, involves living as if the desire has already materialized. Once we assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, we observe the path our attention follows. This observation helps us identify any limiting beliefs or resistance that may hinder the complete manifestation of our desires. For example, suppose we aim to manifest a new car. Assuming the feeling of already possessing the car, we experience excitement and joy. As we observe the direction our attention takes, we might notice thoughts like, "I don't deserve this," or "I can't afford it." These thoughts serve as indicators of limiting beliefs that require addressing for the full manifestation of our desire. By observing the route our attention follows, we can identify and address any resistance blocking our manifestation. This process may involve affirmations, visualization, or inspired action aligned with our desired outcome. One of Neville Goddard's most renowned quotes states, "Your feeling is the touchstone of all you attract." This quote highlights the crucial role emotions play in manifestation. In essence, the emotions we consistently experience, whether positive or negative, shape the reality we encounter. For instance, suppose you are endeavoring to manifest a better job. Despite visualizing and affirming your desire for weeks, you remain stuck without progress. Feelings of anxiety and uncertainty about your future act as barriers, preventing the realization of your desires. According to Neville's teaching, to manifest your dream job, you must align your feelings with the positive emotions associated with having that job, such as joy, confidence, and excitement. By maintaining these positive emotions, you attract more opportunities and experiences that harmonize with your desired outcome. Similarly, imagine you seek to manifest a loving relationship. Despite engaging in self-love practices and visualization techniques, you often find yourself feeling lonely and sad. These negative emotions obstruct the flow of abundance, hindering the attraction of the desired relationship. To shift your emotions, you can focus on gratitude and the positive aspects of your life. Instead of dwelling on loneliness, you can appreciate the abundance of love already present, such as the love from friends, family, or pets. By redirecting your feelings toward love and gratitude, you create space to attract more loving experiences and relationships into your reality. If you found the content valuable and enjoyable, please remember to like and share this video with your friends. If you haven't done so already, consider subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.